Why is everyone on Amazon buying this Cuzmok cordless vacuum? That's what I wanted to find out. So the way I found out is I bought it myself. So basically, the reason I bought this, my brother and I were doing product research. Hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of people are leaving 4.5, 5-star written reviews. They're very happy with it. So we're like, okay, that seems like a good buy. Extremely lightweight, as you can see. That's even with this attached. Even lighter when you're just holding the I would call the GUN or the unit. You got the battery pack right here, very easy to use. You can withdraw it if you need to, and it just slides right on there. Basically, in order to charge it, all you do is just take the charging cord, plug it in underneath, and you're charging it. Few hours, it's charged right up. It'll last up to 50 minutes. Other thing, you can actually store this on the wall like in your laundry room. So you have a cord, and you also have mounting screws here if you wanted to do that. I think that's a nice little touch. I actually think it looks really cool too. Another cool thing, you do have replacement filters. So the one's already installed, but you have 2 replacement filters as well. And then they don't go overboard with the attachments. There's 3 different attachments you can do. I'm gonna show you all those right now. First of all, another thing, down here, we'll run it in a second, but there's kind of this V-shaped and a specific material they use on the brush where it doesn't get tangled, like stuff doesn't get tangled up in it, which is really nice. I've had cordless vacuums before, and it's like hard to get the junk out. So basically all you do is you got the trigger right here, power it on, and then we've got 3 power levels. So this is power level 1, that's number 2, and that's number 3, and you have different colors that tell you. In addition, you can also see how charged it is. And then down here, you actually have an LED light that guides your path and shows you where dust and debris is lifting up off of the wood, the hardwood floor or carpet or whatever you're vacuuming on. Now, one of the things I like about this unit is you don't have to adjust anything to go from carpet to hardwood. It seamlessly adjusts, and it's just very simple and easy to use. So that's the one attachment. Now you could unattach it here or down here. For the sake of this, we're gonna go ahead and unattach that. And we have 2 other options. So I like the brush. We pull that out. Let's pull that brush out. There we go. And what you can do with this is you can just get like on the walls. You could attach the longer one if you're going really high, but if you can just manage to do this, you can get it on the walls. It's not gonna scratch anything, or like, you know, any tables or trays or anything like that. Again, very easy to remove. And then the last one, we can just do this. Now, this is the one I use for my car, and then also in like cracks and crevices in the couch and stuff like that. So again, very simple and easy to use. We're just barely getting started here, and we've already got debris in there. Another thing I like about it is you can see the debris that the vacuum has suctioned up. So dude, this thing's amazing, super lightweight, incredible value based on the number on the product page. I thought I would be an idiot if I didn't get it, so that's why I got it. You know, the rest is up to you.